everyone, and welcome to the News in Flash column for 28th September 2021. Let's see what are the important news points that we will be discussing today. First is about the Akash Prime. So, a new version of the Akash missile, that is Akash Prime, has successfully been flight tested today from the Integrated Test Range in Chandipur, Odisha. Basically, in comparison to the existing Akash system of missiles that we have, Akash Prime is equipped with an indigenous active radio frequency seeker for improved accuracy. So, definitely, this is one more addition in the defense system of the country. Other improvements also ensure more reliable performance under low temperature environments at higher altitudes. Next, a very good news that we have is that Sania Mirza has won the doubles title at the Ostrava Open. So India's tennis veteran Sania Mirza won the doubles title at the Ostrava Open with her Chinese partner Shuai Zhang. They defeated the pair of Caitlin Christian and Erin Rutliff by 6-3 and 6-2 and clinched the title in just over an hour. So this is the first title of this season for Sania Mirza and the 43rd title of her career. Ostrava Open is a tournament organized for women tennis players. Next we have is the 17th formation day of the National Disaster Management Authority, that is the NDMA. So the Home Minister Amit Shah will inaugurate the 17th formation day of the National Disaster Management Authority, that is the NDMA, in New Delhi today. So the theme of this year's Formation Day is cascading effects of disaster events in the Himalayan region. As this year and previously as well, we have been witnessing more and more issues, the environmental disasters in the Himalayan region, be it the cloudburst or be it the glacial outburst, etc. So the NDMA is mandated to lay down policies, plans, and guidelines for disaster management. India envisions the development of an ethos of prevention, mitigation, preparedness, and response. Next we have is the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister launches Dharma Patham. So Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy on Monday virtually launched the Dharma Patham, which is an initiative by the Endowments Department to revive the ancient temple-centric culture. This definitely will give an upper hand in the revival of the ancient culture of the country, specifically the state. And the idea was to give a push to the traditional art, culture, and health programs that used to be conducted by the temples. So here we have is Neema Ben becomes first women speaker of Gujarat. So veteran legislator Neema Ben Acharya was on Monday unanimously elected as the first ever woman speaker of the Gujarat Assembly, which met for the two-day monsoon session. So a three-time BJP MLA and a two-time Congress MLA, Ms. Acharya is one of the senior-most MLAs in the state. And the name of the MLA from Bhuj was proposed by Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, and the opposition Congress supported her nomination. So that was all for the day. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked the session and you learned something out of it. Definitely do subscribe to our channels and like the video if you liked it. Thank you so much.